Hello and good evening, everyone. Good evening, everyone, and welcome to my YouTube live here in my YouTube channel. Good evening, everyone, and I hope everyone is doing fine this Tuesday night. And tonight is revision night. Revision night for our Maths and Science Year 8. I hope that everyone is doing fine. Yay! Thank you so much for being here. This will be our live here in YouTube. And for those that are visiting us for the first time, welcome to my YouTube channel. And this will be very different from my Facebook page. But I hope that this will be very helpful to everyone that is here. So sorry. I didn't know what's wrong with me. Good evening, everyone. Welcome to our live stream here in our YouTube channel. So tonight we will be doing a revision for Maths and Science for Year 8. And this is a progression test set by Cambridge University. So most of the questions here will be applicable for Year 7 and Year 8. So these are random questions that we will be taking up. And of course, half of our live stream will be with a revision, and hopefully like the last 20 minutes of our live stream will be a game, a trivia game, a statement game from Jackbox TV. Thank you so much for those who are here. So in a few minutes, probably in a minute or so, we will be starting with maths. We'll be taking up probably 5 questions. Last week, we had maths and science for year 7. This time, we will have maths and science for year 8. And hopefully next week, we will do maths and science for year 9. And of course, this is a revision, so that will be a revision for year 9 maths and science, and then the following week we will go back to maths and science year 7. So for those that are doing chemistry or physics or any of the sciences and maths in colleges or A levels, please do let me know what are specific topics that you would like me to cover, and I would gladly do it. Hopefully, if time permits, I will be able to prepare those topics. All right, so we will start off with maths. Okay, so let me just, where is it now? All right. So this is maths question. Now the first question we have here I'm just checking on on the audience, if I have the audience now. I feel like I'm too bright. Let me try to turn this off. Yeah, I think that's better. I feel like I was too bright. Like my face is like zoom in, zoom out. Okay. So we have our first question here. This is a maths question. Okay, so our maths question, there are 12 adults, 24 girls, and 6 boys in a room. As I have mentioned previously to all of you, when we do maths and science questions, any for that matter, the first thing that we have to learn for us to be able to understand and able to answer the question is identify what are the givens, what is the operation, the theory, the formula that you need to do or perform, and then you answer the question. Okay, that's simple as it is. Whatever exam or whatever test that you will have, you have to identify what is the given, then what is being asked. Then you solve that question based on what you know about that question. Okay, so here we have there are 12 adults. You have, I think my pen is too. Okay, 24 girls and 6 boys. You are asked to work out the ratio. So this is what you need to do. You're asked to work out the ratio of your adults, 2 girls, 2 boys. So you have what? You need adult, girls, and your boys. Okay? So what are the 3 things that you have here? Adults, girls, and boys. Now, since the given is there already, if you would notice, the given is there, right? The given is, as you can see, 12 adults, 24 girls, and 6 boys. Now, when we do ratio must be written in the simplest form. So, is 1224 simple? Is it in the simplest form? I don't think so, right? 12, 24, and 6 can still be divided by a common value. And that is the value of 6. So we divide everything by 6. So 12 divided by 6 will be 2. Is 2. 24 divided by 6 is 4. 6 divided by 6 is 1. Therefore, the ratio of your adults to girls to boys is 2:4:1. Hello, Mahablanca. Good evening. All right. So moving on. I hope that's very easy, right? So let's just move on. Let's move on. Move. Oh. What's wrong with your pen? What's wrong with your pen, teacher? It's very hard. These days are very hard. Okay. So here you will see a table. Of course, you have a table on the bottom part. All 7 additional combinations should be asked here. Okay, this is a combination question. So a class of children go to an activity center. In the morning, each child chooses to do 1 swimming, 1 climbing, or 1 archery. In the afternoon, each child chooses to do either tennis, a volleyball, or football. Complete the table to show that all the possible combinations that a child can select. So if you have this, okay, so you just need to complete the table. So you could have swimming with your football. That will be the morning, right? And then you have Um, what's the next? What's the other question? Sorry. Climbing, climbing, and archery, archery. So you just need to complete the table. So climbing, 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 and you have archery, archery, archery. Okay. So swimming, swimming, swimming. You have, it could be a tennis, a volleyball, or football. And then if you do your climbing, you could have tennis, volleyball, or football. And then if you do archery, you could have a tennis, volleyball, football. And yes, that's the end of our answer. Okay, so those are the possible combinations. So it's either you do archery and then tennis, or archery and then volleyball, or archery and then football at the same time. All right. I hope that is clear. This is just a combination. We call this space diagram. So when you do space diagram, you just need to pair up the different combinations that you have. All right. So moving on. Oh, I forgot. I could actually write on it. Why am I deleting? Sorry, guys. Okay. Okay. So here we have a graph, okay? And you know, and I think most of you know that this is a distance time graph. Now, how did I know it's a distance time graph? You have on your y-axis, by the way, the one that is vertical is what we call a y-axis, and the one that is horizontal is your x-axis. So here, Mia and Aiko Melendez, Mia and Aiko travel from a hotel to the beach along the same path. The graph shows information about their journeys. So you have here, Aiko is from 10 a.m. and then all the way to on top. Okay, the distance that is traveled is on the one same distance, because it says here that they journey on the same path. So that means that the distance should be the same. However, the timing is different. All right. So you're asked to write down the time when Mia passes Aiko. The time when Mia passes Aiko. What do you think is the time when Mia passes Aiko? Can anyone tell me? Okay. So the time when Mia passes Aiko is actually the time where you have your intersection point. Okay. This is the time where Mia passes through or pass Aiko. So at this point, that is 15, and then that's 20, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 difference. It means it's per 1 minute. So 15, 16, 17. So that means that your timing where Mia passes Aiko is 10, 10, 17. Okay, so it's 10, 17. Now the second question you have here, work out the difference between the number of minutes Mia and Aiko take to get to the beach. So what is the number of minutes where Mia and Aiko take to get to the beach? So what does this mean? This means that what time difference is it between the two when they reach on the same destination? So Mia reached the beach at this point. Aiko reached the beach at this point. So what is this? What's the gap? What's the timing gap between the two of them? So here, since what is this? Sorry. So here is my okay. Work out the difference between the number of minutes Mia and Aiko take to get to the beach. So here you have the difference of from the top. You have a difference, right? But they also started on a different timing. So, how would we determine, okay, how would we determine the difference of their time? So, if you would look at this, this is 5, and then you have 6, 7, 8. This is an 8 minutes gap here, and then at the top, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 minutes gap. So, what is the gap or the difference in timing for both? So, if you have 7 and 8, that means that the difference between their timing is actually 8 plus 7. You just need to add those timings. So, that will be 8 plus 7 will be 15 minutes. Hi, Colonel. Good evening. Okay, so why did we determine it to be 15 minutes? Okay, bakit naging 15? Why is it 15? Okay, first thing is, let me just go back. Aiko started at 10. Mia started at 8, 10, 5, 6, 7. 10:07. So that means that there was an 8-minute difference. Okay, now 10:08. So there is an 8 minutes difference. And then they reached the beach. Okay, Mia reached there at 10:22. And then Aiko reached there at 10:29. So the gap here is 7, and then the gap below is 8. So you're asked for the gap. So that is 15 minutes. Okay. Hello, hello, hello. So far, okay? 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 I hope everyone's okay. Okay lang ba yung sound? Is it disturbing or is it okay? I hope it's not disturbing. All right, question number 4. Okay. Tickets for a theater cost $18. So that's the cost of your ticket. There is a single postage cost of $3 for any number of tickets. That means the $3 is a fixed value. Hi, Ambery. Hi, Ambery. That means that your ticket is, postage is 3. However, or whatever number of tickets you would purchase, you will be charged $3 for the postage. Okay? So you are asked to write down a formula for the total cost of your ticket. So we know that $18 is the cost of one ticket. So we could just say, let's say T is the ticket. Okay? T. So that means that whatever number of tickets I will buy, I'll need to multiply it by 18. And there is a fixed amount of postage, which is $3. So then the formula for finding the total cost in dollars for your ticket will be 18T plus 3. Questions so far before we proceed? Okay, so you have 18T plus 3. That is the formula for finding the total cost of your ticket. Now, Jamila buys 8 tickets. So what would be the total cost using the formula? So using the formula, that's 18 times 8 tickets plus 3. So 18 times 8 That is 8 times 8 is 64. So 8, 9, 10, 14, 144 plus your $3. So you have your $3, so that will be 147. So that's $147. That means that if Jamila will buy 8 tickets, she needs to pay $147. Okay, this question is an application of linear equations. Application of linear equations includes those that are for linear graph and as well as word problems such as this, where you only have one unknown like t. Okay, let's continue. Number 5. Let me just stretch it. Okay, number 5, you are asked, write a decimal in each box to make a correct statement. Write a decimal for the boxes to create a correct statement. So, you have here an inequality sign. Please do remember, for those, bye everyone and mom. Oh, mom, later na po ako, kakain na po kami. Alright. Sure, Colonel. Okay, so please do take note that the inequality that you have is where it is facing, that is the number that is greater than. Okay, so where it's facing, that's the number that is greater than. They call this the crocodile mouth. So where the crocodile mouth is opening, that means that that's the bigger price or the bigger food that your crocodile can eat. That's why it's called crocodile mouth. Okay. So, all right, Colonel, have a good dinner. Okay. So you have here 11.379 and 11.38. So when we do order, this is under order of decimals. So when we do that, the first thing that you have to look into is the inequality, where it's facing. That means that this one is less than whatever is in the middle, and it's less than 11.38. Now, order of decimals is always based on the place value. So here, how would you identify the number that will be inside? So you have 11, 11, okay, 3, 3, and then you have a 7, and then you have a 8. So since this is since next to 7 is a 5, then you can write 11.376 in the middle. You could also write 11.3755 in the middle, as long as it's greater than the last digit. The last digit that you have, or the last decimal place value, or the last decimal point you have there is a 5. So it should be greater than your 5. You could place 11.376. You can place 11.379. You can place 11.378, or you could place 11.3751, 52, 53, as long as it's greater than 5. Okay? The next one, you have 1 here, and this is facing 1. That means that 1 is greater than, okay? 1 is greater than whatever is the number in the middle, and the number in the middle is greater than 0.99. Now, you have to look at 0.99. What number will be, as I have mentioned, you always look at the last digit or the last place value. So that's a 9. So you just need to place 0.991. That will be greater than 0.999. Sorry, 0.99. Okay, or you could say 0.994. That is greater than 0.99. Or you could say 0.996. That is greater than 0.99. So any number, it's either you put another value after the 9, Or you could just change, let's say 0.9991. That would still be greater than your 0.99, as long as you don't write 1. Thank you to all our 7 viewers tonight. Okay, so that is how you place order of decimals. It's the same as looking into what will be greater. So you always go for the next place value. Okay, so the next one is you're asked to draw a ring around the largest fraction. Now, how do you do or identify largest fraction? You have two options. Okay, you have two options. It's either you would make all the denominator the same, which for me, 7, 10, and 13, which for me might be very hard. Okay, not everyone can identify what is the uh, common multiple for 7, 10, and 13. That might be very hard. So the easiest way to do this is to convert everything to decimal values. Okay, that will be the easiest way. So how do we do that? How do we do uh, converting this to a decimal? So 5 divided by 7, you add 0 and then you put point. That is 7. 7 times 7 is 49. That's a 1. That's a 0. That is a 1. So this is 0.71. Okay. 7 over 10 is 0.7. And then 10 over 13 will be 10 divided by 13. You have another 0. That's 0.7. And then you have 7, 8, 9. That's 90. So 13 times 7, that is 91. And then you subtract 91. That will be a 9. And then you have 0. And then you will have 6. Yeah, 6. So that means that this is 0.76. Amongst all 0.71, 0.7, and 0.76, this will be higher. So that means that the greatest or the largest fraction is 10 over 13. If you are asked to show your working, you can also do that. I hope it's being understood. Naintindihan ba lahat? Okay ba ang lahat? I'll be speaking on two different languages. Sorry, there's something flying in front of me. Okay, so if everything is clear, clear. Okay. Now let's move on to question number 7. This will be the last for maths for tonight, and we will proceed for a few questions in science later. Okay. So for question 7, you are given a graph that is the conversion between US dollars and UK pounds. Now, this is conversion, okay, conversion factor, or we call this your line graph, where you will have your conversion of your money. So if you have a conversion of your money, this will be very simple to use. All you need to do is locate the question, the given, and then you cross your graph to the opposite axis. So let's say, for example, if you would notice, let me just, okay. The first question is use the graph to convert 400 pounds. So what you need to do is look for 400 pounds. So 400 pounds is there. Okay. Once you hit the graph, or once you hit the line, you go down. Right. So this is the point where you have. Now there is a grid of a distance of 600 and your 700 by 5s. So that means that each grid is 20s, because there are five. So there's 620, 640, 660, 680, and then 700. So always the greed gap is always equal. So 600 to 700. Hi, Onika. Long time no see. Yes, long time no see. So the greed means that each scale grid is by 20s. So that means that $400 is 600. Sorry, 400 pounds is $640. Okay. The next one is if you have 300 pounds. So if you have $300 and you're asked it into pounds. So 300, you go to 300 and then you move to the side. It's the same thing. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's by 20s. So you will have 180 for that case. Hi, Gab. Hi, Gabriel. Kumusta, Gabe? Thank you for dropping by, Gabe. All right. Okay, so moving on. The conversion rate is the same for any amount of money. So find the number of dollars equivalent to 1,000 pounds. Now, 1,000 pounds cannot be found sa graph, okay? It's not anywhere in the graph because the highest here is 700 and actually you only have 600. So what would you do so that you will be able to determine? I got. Oh, okay, that's good. Good. Good that you're good. I hope to see you, Gab, when I go home. I hope magkita ta when I go home. Okay. So, the first thing that you have to use here is you have already a conversion factor here. Okay? So you just simply use that conversion factor for you to be able to solve your equivalent dollars for 1,000 pounds. So if 400 pounds is $640, what would be 1,000 pounds to X? Then you just need to cross multiply. So 400 pounds will be 1,000 times 640. And then you just need to divide this by 400. And then just cancel the zeros. Thanks for watching. Aw, okay. So 400 zeros, okay? Niagis akong YouTube. No probs, niagis akong YouTube. Okay. So you have here, you just need to cancel the zeros. Cancel the zeros. So 100 times 664 and then divide by 4. So 100, or you could just do like 100 divided by 4. If you divide 100 by 4, then you will get 25, right? So 25 times 64, you will get 1,600. So that's the answer here. Okay, I hope that it's clear. Thanks, Gab, for dropping by. So we'll just do probably one or two questions in science. And then you will have wala pa mi nagkita ni Nika. Oh, I hope to meet you. To meet you with Nika as well. Pag uli na ako. Okay, any question with maths before I probably take one or two questions in science? Let me just um, mm, science. Okay, we'll do probably five questions in science or four questions in science before we play the game. All right. So the first question here will be about health. This is under biology. We'll play Tamam. Yes, we will play Jackbox. After five questions, I guess, in science, or three questions. We'll see. Okay. Foods contain a mixture of different constituents. The table shows here the mass of different constituents and the energy content in 100 grams. So you are being informed that there is 100 grams of some food. So this is the mass of carbohydrates in bread, 47 grams, mass of fats, and so on and so forth. And you have your energy content, which is in kilojoule. Okay, your energy content for bread, 1030, for butter, 3010, and for raw potato, which is 340. All right. So those are the given information that you have to understand and take note of. So the masses of the constituents in each food do not. So please do take note that in any test, okay, any test, when a word is being highlighted, that means that it needs your attention, okay? It needs your attention and it is very significant for you to be able to answer the question. So here you would notice that the word not is being highlighted or it's in bold. So that means that what is or what are the masses of the constituents in each food that do not add up to 100 grams. So that means it did not go beyond 100. Name one other constituents present in each of the foods. So here, okay, I'll just make it smaller. Okay, so name other or name one other constituent present in each of the foods. So only one. You only need to name one. So here, there's other constituents that are not being mentioned. Okay, so here you could say what is not here: carbohydrates, fat, vitamin C, energy, protein can be an answer because there's no protein in the table. You could also say minerals, okay? And what else? Other vitamins, you could just say vitamin A or vitamin B because it's not there. Vitamin C is the only one there. So those are your possible answers. There are several answers that you could place. Okay, so name one other constituent present in each other, okay, that is present in each of the food. Protein can be maybe in your um, raw potato. Minerals, vitamins, you would know, okay, each of the food. So here, even water, yes, even water can be an answer because water can be found in any of these food. So the next question that you have here is which constituent? Again, it's bold. Okay? It has an emphasis. That means it's very important. All right? That's your keyword. That's your key. That's your hint. Which constituent in butter provides the most energy? So, butter that has the most energy. So, amongst all, this is the only one with mass in grams, right? In your butter. That means that the constituent in butter that provides the most energy, since it's only fats, so the answer here will be fat. I learned to take the test, I pass and I forget. I don't learn to. Okay. Are you sure you don't have the glow, grow, and go and all those carbohydrates, proteins, and minerals? And also your fibers, Honika? Okay. So, which constituent, again, it's in bold, in bread provides the most energy? Okay. So, in bread, the most energy. So, you only have two components here, your carbohydrates, which is in 47, and your fat, which is at 3. Therefore, this is higher than 3, right? So, hence, which constituent has the most? This will be carbohydrate. Okay? Oh, go, grow, and glow. Yes, yes. This is under biology. Your minerals, your carbohydrates, your proteins, your fats. So, what makes up your carbohydrates? What is the monomer of your carbohydrates? What is the monomer of your fats? And so on and so forth. That is under Science Year 8. Not a problem, Onika. Okay. Cooked potato contains much less vitamin C than raw potato. Okay. Why is this so? Please do take note that your vitamin C is made up of, you know, long chain. And most of the time, if you have your different constituents like carbohydrates or your proteins, when they are being heat, we are there being heat. When they are heated, what kind of English is that? When they are heated, okay? Pag, what's the Tagalog of heat? Pag ininit mo, ininit. Pag ininit mo, pag initin, initin, init. Okay? When you heat it up. All right? So, vitamin C, so you can say vitamin C is destroyed by heating. Okay? Or you could say vitamin C decomposed by cooking. So that could be an answer as well. So you could say vitamin C, um, when you heat it, it will be destroyed. Or when you cook raw potato, the vitamin C decomposes. Okay. Or probably you would say vitamin C dissolves in water. That's also fine because vitamin C is soluble in water. Or what else can be an answer? Yeah, that destroyed. Wash out the yes, wash out. Boil it. Yes, when you are boiled, mawala iya vitamins. Yes, that's our lesson in grade 6. Yes. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm looking at the side because the chat box is on my side. Yes, when you boil, yes, that will destroy even your proteins when you heat up. That's the reason why when we are being like masunog ato ang skin, when our skin is exposed to, oh, I'll not use our skin. Okay, a simple example will be your egg. When you boil an egg, you cannot turn your egg into the raw egg again. So it has destroyed its component actually. It has cooked. Mawash out. Yes. Mawash out. Okay? All right. So I think we'll end there. Oh, wow. We just did one question. Okay. I think we'll end there. And then we will do more of your science next week for year 8. We'll do more sciences next week for year 8 and year 9. Unless there are any questions before we proceed with our game, I think we can do one or two games. Mawash out. Mawala iya vitamins when they are boiled. Yes. Okay. All right. So we will be doing the Jackbox for a while. Let me just turn off my tablet. Um, oh no, wait. Wait a minute. Kaping mainit. I hope everyone's still doing fine. We're almost done. We have 15 minutes to go. Uh-oh. Okay, okay. All right, there you go. Quick flash po. Wow, very, very, very active. Very active. Very active. Quick flash. Okay, wait. Quick flash. We haven't done Gaspinage. We should play Gaspinage one time. For those that are here, you could actually play with us. Okay? Play the game. Let's go. It's me again. For those who just joined us, Quick Flash. Jackbox TV is Gijai. Okay, welcome Gijai. Welcome Gijai. Thank you for our 8 viewers tonight. For those who just joined, Quick Flash is Jackbox in general is a paid game app. It's a package. You will have like 6 games in one package. And I just forgot how much it is, but it's in dollars, I would say. I can't remember. Sorry. Gas price. But the games in Quick Flash. I hope Quick Flash will hear this. Quick Flash. I hope Jackbox will hear this. And sponsor me with a new released Jackbox Party package. So in all of their games actually are family oriented, family friendly. Okay, so it's a family friendly. It's so nice. Trivial. Jesus loves me. Yes, I know. Yeah. So it's more trivial. Yeah, that's all that I could say. It's trivial and educational. So I hope Jackbox will hear me. Hello, Jackbox. Hi, Jackbox. Back in a man. You will do partnership. I cannot recall the lessons. I'm a grade 8. Oh no. Okay. All right. Is everyone in? We will start in 1 minute. Well, lightning is in. $30 seconds. In 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we will be starting our game. Wala nang hahabol? No one's going to ask for space? Okay. We're going to start right now. Right here, right now. Quick flash!
Schmitty here. Welcome to Quiplash. I want each of you to give 110%. I got a lot of money on this. This is round 1. You are about to see 2 prompts on your device. Type something hilarious or not for each one.
Okay.
And everyone gets to decide if your answer is better than someone else's. Democracy at work.
Yes,
You'll score
democracy
points
at
based
work.
on the percentage of people who prefer your answer. Have at it.
The question is quite hard. I can't answer it. Come on.
Hurry up. Use a
Hurry
safety
up,
pin
hurry
if you
up,
can't
hurry
think of
up.
anything.
Come on, Volt Lightning. Come on, come on. One more, one more, one more, one more. 3, 2, 1. Well done, Gijai.
Time for the big reveal. Up first, the worst thing to say while being tortured.
Worse, I don't know anything.
Okay,
Ooh
pick your
la
favorite
la.
and vote.
I don't know anything. I don't know anything. You can actually support me in YouTube. Big Flash! You can actually support me in YouTube by
Next in
sending,
line,
you know, see the
what
dollar
the
sign on the
stands
side?
for in
Yes, you can
Ulysses
send that.
S. Grant.
What
Okay,
the S
vote.
stands for in Ulysses S. Grant. Sublime. Sing song song. Sing song song. Sing song song. It sounds like a Chinese name. Sing song song. I like that game. Oh, Kaini. Yes, you know, I know you like this game, but you did not join. Did you? Did you join? Sing song song.
Coming up next, a sign they should put up on the Florida state line.
Okay.
Vote on your devices.
Manji is cute. Manji is cute. What kind of answer is this? Manji is cute. Okay, Munchie is cute. Yum, 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 yum.
Moving on. The last thing you want to find in a vacuum bag.
Your cat, a
Time.
cockroach. Which is bigger? A cockroach or your cat? Nice one. Thank you, Gas Price and Gijai, for voting me.
Next on deck, the 3 things that make up old person smell.
Ooh, wala deodorant.
Get
Good.
to voting.
Scrapple. What is Scrapple? What is Scrapple? Who answered this? Let's see. Oh, Gijai. What kind of word is that, Gijai? Loki's bum is bigger than mine. Okay. I understand.
That's all for round 1. Here's the scoreboard.
Well done. Let's see who's the highest. Congratulations, me.
Round 2 time, and look sharp because I'm doubling all the point values.
Okay. Let's do this. Let's see. Oh my goodness. Sorry. I'm so sleepy. Look at my eye bag.
Almost out of time. Use the safety quip button if you have to.
Well done, Gijai, for catching up.
Let's see those quips. Our first prompt is, the ultra-rich have a spoon specifically for when blank is served.
For when their
Okay,
daily gold
everybody pick
flakes
your
on
favorite.
dessert is served. Whoa, that's very long. For when their daily gold flakes on dessert is served. I wonder who answered this. I wonder who answered smartly. Jesus loves me. Well done, Jesus loves me.
Moving
Let's see.
on. Finding money in an old pair of pants is great, but what's even better is discovering blank.
Discovering gold.
Vote now.
Oh, that is a slogan. That is a how to solve hunger. Well done.
And next is how Papa Smurf plans to spend his retirement.
How Papa Smurf
Ready, set, vote.
getting tanned. Oh, who's getting tanned? Oh, Papa Lolo is not getting tan. Big Flash! Gas price! Well done, gas
Okay,
price.
next one. Something you should never think about while meditating.
Did I turn off my microwave? Social! Did I turn off my microwave? Or did I turn off my 72-inch TV? Social. It's 50-50.
And next, a great name for a real estate agent.
Lagitan,
Win
Mr.
votes.
Lagitan, Mr. Sold. Well done, Mr. Sold. I love the name. Mr. Sold. Bravo, Mr. Sold. Well done, Gijai.
That's it for round 2. Let's see those scores.
Let's see who scored well. Wow, gas price. Gas price. Amazing gas price.
And now round 3, the
Last
last
lash.
lash. This
Do
time
this.
you'll all be answering the same prompt.
Comic lash. Okay, let's see.
Finish writing this comic.
Isn't there a quicker way to lose weight? Ooh, this is a nice comic. Let's see how wise, crazy the answers are.
And here's what you did. You get 3 medals to award to your top 3 quips. Give out your gold, silver, and bronze medals now.
Okay. Yes, don't check your weight. Just wiggle, wiggle, and fold. Just wiggle, wiggle, and hold. I think it's a song. It's a song. Just wiggle, wiggle. If you too have an eating disorder. Yep. You run 50 kilometers every other day. Just wiggle, wiggle, and hold. Just jiggle, jiggle, and what's the song? Award your medal, Zoe.
Brace yourselves, here come those medals. First, the bronze. Here's the silver. And gold. Let's see what the medals to points exchange rate is these days.
Sorry, gas price. Wow, just wiggle, wiggle. Just jiggle, jiggle.
That's all. Now for the final scores.
Let's see. Well done, Gijai. Well done, Gijai. Congratulations, Gijai. And that ends our live stream for tonight. Hey, mine was the most realistic. Yes, we know, Ambery. Loki's bomb is bigger than mine. Yes, Kaini. Again, Mom. What? It's already 8:03. Next week, Maha Blanca. You lose weight fast unless you want to develop ed. What? Last. Okay. Last. Okay, last. Same player. No. Or new player. Let's go to new players. Okay, new players. Okay, please. Oh my goodness. Okay, wish granted. Wish granted. Wish granted. Last game, last game. Ooh, GJ now has a crown. GJ has a crown. GJ has a crown. Oh my gooseness. What's oh my gooseness? Oh my gooseness. Emery. Are we going to start now? All right. I'll start in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. All right, 1. Let's start. Quick flash. Quip.
I'm Schmitty, and
Quip
I don't know about
Flash.
you, but I feel like a game of Quiplash. Take a good look at your fellow players. These are your enemies.
Hello,
Crush
hello,
them.
hello. Hello, fellow players.
Here's round 1. The more people who vote for your answer, the better your score. Let's
All right.
go.
Let's go. I don't understand the questions. Volt Lightning just meowed. Hurry up, hurry up. Who
Clock's
is
running
this?
out. Or use a safety quip.
She just loves me. She just loves me, she just loves you. She just loves me.
Let's see what we got. First up, what the filling of a deviled egg should be called.
Older than your
Okay,
grandma
everyone, vote for
feel
your favorite.
cracked dead. I don't even know. What's the answer? It's 50-50. Okay. Got it.
Next in the hopper, an odd thing to discover upon arriving in heaven. Tuesday nights are blank night.
Prayer.
And vote.
Oh, Youth Fellowship prayer night. Oh my goodness. Okay. Youth Fellowship or prayer night. Either or. Prayer night.
Next prompt. The worst interrogation would have a good cop, a bad cop, and a blank cop.
I'm stupid. I don't
Time to
understand the question. I don't understand the question, cup. It's either a bad, a stupid, or I don't understand the question. Uh-oh, 50-50. I don't think we'll win because there's only 4 of us, so it's
Next
always
up,
50-50.
the advice a couples therapist would give to Captain America and Bucky.
Stay strong.
Now.
Take care of him, Bucky. He's advanced in in ahe? What's ahe? Hey, hey, in advance, eh? Stay strong, both of them. Jijai! Okay. No one.
Up next, the worst children's game, Hungry Blank.
Hungry child. Hungry. I want to eat, mom. Oh, my goodness. Okay, I actually don't understand both answers, actually. Well done, Bolt Lightning. Okay, let's
Round
go.
one's over. Let's check the scoreboard.
Oh, that was round 1. Okay. Well done, Jesus loves me. Jesus loves me, this I know.
Now for round 2. Double
Okay.
the points and bonuses, double the excitement.
Let's go. Yeah.
Let's take a look. Starting us off, a rejected song from the musical Oklahoma.
I don't even know.
Okay, pick your favorite.
Okay. Oh, country home, to the place I belong. Take me home to Okavango. You know where's Okavango? Okavango is actually a place in Africa.
Your
Okay.
next prompt is a terrible name for a morning talk show.
All right. Rise up. It's
voting
time to
time.
work. TikTok. I think everyone's tired. Someone answered TikTok. Well done, Volt Lightning. With Flash.
Next one, the scariest challenge that was never done on Fear Factor.
Snakes in a box.
Put in your
Challenging Kai Kai in posing. Challenging Kai Kai in posing. Snakes in the box. They have tried this in Fear Factor, I guess. Yeah. Sorry, Jai Jai.
Next, the worst song to be playing for your lap dance.
Coco.
Okay, vote.
Melon. You lose weight fast unless you want to develop. Add. My money don't jiggle, it folds. My money, yeah, Maha Blanca. That's the song. That's the song. I just saw it now. I don't know. Probably there's a delay on the chat.
And next is, the only way out of Mississippi is to blank.
Ride a
on your
flying suck.
devices.
Spell it with one eye. What kind of answers are these? Okay. My money don't jiggle jiggle. They fold. Well done, well done. You smashed.
That's all for round 2. Let's see where the points went.
Okay, let's see, let's see. Oh. I'm still in the bottom.
Welcome to the last lash, the final round. There's just one prompt and you're all getting it.
Okay. Acro. Oh my goodness, it's acronym.
Invent the full phrase that goes with this acronym.
EGD, EGD. Acronym for EGD. Come on, EGD. Let me think, EGD. I don't know how to answer it. My money don't jiggle jiggle.
All right, brace yourselves.
All right, let's do.
Choose the medal winning quips.
Egg gray. Elephants go driving. Eminem ganging dog. I seriously don't know what to answer, but I'll be answering it anyway. I don't know who would actually win this.
All right, let's see who earned those medals. Bronze. Show me the silver. And gold. Let's melt those medals down for points.
Well done!
And we're finished. Show me those final scores.
We're finished. We're finished. Da-dang, da-dang. Woo, wow! Volt lightning! Well done, Volt lightning. Congratulations. Thank you everyone, and that ends our live stream here in my YouTube channel. This is Teacher Maria, and I hope to see you again next week, Tuesday. Same time, same channel, same teacher here. Yours truly, Teacher Maria. Yay, congratulations everyone. Thank you so much for all our viewers tonight, and for those who stayed and watched. Thank you so much. Thank you. Congratulations, Volt Lightning. At last, you won the game. Lola won after 84 years. Yes. Thank you, everyone. See you next week, Tuesday. Bye-bye and good night. Salamat. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng nakisali, nakisuyo, nakitambay, at for those who just dropped by, stopped by, went by, through by, bye-bye. Good night and God bless po sa lahat. Bye-bye.